This tomato and pesto tart is the kind of dish that looks impressive, but is secretly so easy to pull together. It's light, fresh, packed with flavour, perfect for lunch, brunch, or a summer table spread. Let's make it. Into a blender goes silken tofu, hummus, Dijon mustard, nutritional yeast, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Blend until it's silky smooth, and this is your creamy, tangy base. Now onto the prep. Halve your tomatoes, use a mix of colours and sizes for the prettiest result. Pick some fresh basil leaves and set them aside for later. Now it's time to grab your pastry. Score a border around 2.5 centimeters from the edge, making sure you don't cut all the way through. Spread your creamy tofu filling evenly inside the border. Dollop spoonfuls of plant-based pesto across the filling. Take the back of a spoon and gently swirl it in. You're looking for a marbled effect. Next, lay your sliced tomatoes over the top, nice and neat, covering the filling. Fold the pastry border over slightly, just to frame everything. Give the whole tart a light spray of olive oil, then scatter over fennel seeds, sea salt, and a little black pepper. Bake straight away. That way the tomatoes stay juicy without losing too much liquid. About 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until the pastry is puffed, golden, and the base feels set. Once it's out of the oven, finish with fresh basil leaves on top. And there you have it. A crisp, golden tart with creamy filling, fresh pesto swirls, and juicy tomatoes. If you give this one a go, let us know. And don't forget to tag us in your creations. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual good stuff. Catch you next time.